promote these kind of debate of the Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, and they were expert in each of these fields. In this way, in the assembly of King Prataparudra, Rai Ramananda was present. Very eloquent Harikatha. All the Pandits used to be astonished, to the extent that the impersonalists, the Advaitavadis, hearing which they became very impressed. And Rai Ramananda, whatever he spoke, he used to connect it with the gopis and Ras Leela. And he spoke much on this. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya himself, he said, in the Advaitavadi assembly, when Rai Ramananda used to come, he used to speak directly about the glories of the gopis and the Ras Leela. Advaitavadis, they did not give importance to this Ras Leela because they thought that this is a talk of mundane men and women. So they did not respect him so much. But when Rai Ramananda came in such assemblies, he used to directly speak about the gopis. In this, he used to establish the philosophical conclusion. He was made the governor of that region. He was such a great personality. He used to enter into the assembly of great Pandits. In this kirtan, this is the Srimati Radhika's Abhisari Nayika's characteristics. There are many types of Nayikas in this way. 8 types of Nayikas. Ashtanayikas. When Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna, at that time, she takes, Rai Ramananda speaks of Srimati Radhika's moods. There is 2 meanings to this. In the last, in this kirtan, Janayati Rudram Gajadikam Mudita. Rudra Gange Raja Pratap Rudra ki jai. Gajapati Raja Pratap Gajapati, that who gives pleasure to the Gajapati king. It's describing और वास्तव रूप में रायमंडल करे नहीं मैं प्रताप रुद्र की वृद्धि के लिए ये मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ये किसके लिए कृष्ण के लिए. This saying about Krishna, who the demigods, Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, they offer their heads to the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is described, these great demigods, Brahma, Lord Shiva, they offer their heads to the lotus feet of Krishna and recite many glorifications. Who is that personality? Krishna himself. This kirtan, it's for the pleasure of Krishna. The king Prataparudra is singing, Ramananda is having it sung by Rai Ramananda. There are 2 meanings to this. For the pleasure of King Prataparudra and describing how Brahma, Rudra are offering their head at the lotus feet of Krishna for the pleasure of Krishna. how Srimati Radhika is going to rendezvous with Krishna at the night. Rayananda is describing further Kalayati Nainam. Srimati Radhika, when goes to meet with Krishna, her eyes, both eyes, they're so restless, like in a lake, lotus blossoms, when the water moves, hilte hai. When the water moves, the lotus also moves, as the water is like the lotus on the lake, which is being moved by the ripples of the water. Step and thinking of meeting with Krishna, and this desire rising in her heart, she is not able to put the next step. She hesitates. One daytime lotus. The daytime lotus, as it blossoms as the sun rises, and the lotus at night, it depends on the rising of the moon. The presiding deity of the mind, meaning the moon, when that rises, in that same time, the lotus in the mind of Srimati Radhika rises when her desire to meet with Krishna arises. This very sweet breeze that is blowing, she does not know where to put her next step. She cannot compose herself. These are all stimuluses, because in the transcendental realm, first thing is this stimulus comes. Unless there is this stimulus, then this transcendental love, the sweetness of the transcendental love cannot manifest. This is called Alamban and Udipan. One is Ashray Alamban and another is Vishay Alamban. Krishna is always Vishay Alamban, and Srimati Radhika and the gopis are Ashray Alamban. There's two types of Ashray Alamban. One is Ashray Alamban and another is Vishay Alamban. These are two types of Alamban. Shelter. Krishna is Vishay, the object of enjoyment. But there needs to be some stimulation. First is some stimulation. Like we see something and in our heart a desire arises. It stimulates a desire in our heart. In the same way, when Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna at that time, it is like the night lotus blossoming, or in the moonlight. It stimulates the heart to such an extent that eagerness to meet with Krishna is stimulated so much that she does not know where to put her next step. As like Kunjara. Kunjara means elephant. Like an elephant moves as from one step to another. An elephant is very sensitive. It knows if an elephant walks very carefully, because it knows that if it steps in something, it will not be able to come out again. So the trunk of the elephant the Lord has created the trunk of the elephant, so it can smell and assess the ground in front. You won't see the hole in front of him, but from the nose it will find out. It will indicate there is a hole in the ground. So it is very cautious in this way when it walks. It knows that in case it falls, then it will never be able to come out again. In the same way, in this way, Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna in the same way as the elephant walks very steadily, and her feet cannot move, remembering Krishna. Her whole body is stumbit. It's become like a column, pillar, statue. It cannot move forward. Ramananda is describing in this way how to give pleasure to Krishna in the context of Srimati Radhika going to meet with Krishna. Jai. These two meanings. In this context, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami describes. He has written on Srimati Radhika going to meet with Krishna. Raghunath Goswami. In this shloka. Two meanings in this one. Madhumas means Chaitra Vaishak month. In the spring, Vasanta. At this time, when Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna, Nishayam means at night, Nisha. When Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna, and the effulgence from Srimati Radhika's body illuminates all directions, and the camphor, which is white in color, and mixed with the golden complexion of Srimati Radhika, the radiance effulgence will be subdued. So this camphor is put on her body that it does not attract other people's attention. If Srimati Radhika was to go on her own, it will seem like there is one golden doll. Yes, like a golden doll walking. So, this Abhisarika Naika, in the same way Raghunath Das Goswami describes in his book about Srimati Radhika's Abhisari Naika, Utkantita Vasak Saja. First, Dir Udatta, then Dir Udatta, Dir Udatta, and Dir Shanta. In this way, 4 types of heroes are described. That shloka he composed, he recited to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hearing this, it increased Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's separation. Swarup Damodar, they quoted Chandidas Vidyapati to the house of Advaita Acharya. Mahaprabhu said, recite me one kirtan. Then Advaita Acharya recited this Kirtan of Chandidas to give. And so it is saying like this analogy is given. And this endless amount of jewels for Krishna. And at the time of the cold season, the most dear to us is our warm cloth, warm blanket. In the same way, we will not, I will, our Pran Govinda, our life and soul Govinda is like a cooling breeze in the summer season. At the time, in the rainy season, what is most dear? An umbrella. First, you would save your life, not to care of anyone's life, others' life. Our Pran Priyatam Krishna is like that lifeboat in the middle of the ocean that we would not give to anyone else. And momentarily. But in the transcendental realm, this pleasure that for Krishna is eternal and transcendental. In this material world, we're eternal and always in the present and never ending. So we should perform this devotional practice to Radha and Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One Sukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. Sukla Paksha Abhisar is not so prominent. But the night Abhisar, Krishna Paksha Abhisar is very... in that time there is Ras Leela. In the dark moon there is no Ras Leela, because when Srimati Radhika goes to meet with Krishna, at that time Utkanta vyapt रहता है, Utkanta नहीं होती है. Sometimes Krishna, she sends Krishna in one direction and Srimati Radhika in the opposite direction. If every day you get the same thing, then the sweetness is not there. The sweetness it disappears. What we eat at home, if we eat the same thing every day, if you make rice, or patties like dal patties. Indira had one, very nice. Some poha, sometimes Italy. But if you have poha every day, if you make a potato, you can make it in many different ways. Chakka, sabji, bhajia, pakka. And every day we eat rice and dal anyway. You have to eat anyway. But in the 18,000 shlokas of Srimad Bhagavatam, the commentators have described it in many different ways. Therefore, there is pleasure in relishing. The same pastime is there. One person said, they recite Ramayana, but please you give us something new in the Ramayana. How can I say this? Okay. He started to speak. The examples given during the Harikatha, that is the interesting thing. That main shlokas will stay there. but the way of speaking and the examples that are given, that will attract the audience and also create a tasteful atmosphere. You make मटर के वो तो आलू मटर है ना, चावल मटर नहीं. पागल कहीं मिले.
The Gurudev doesn't eat peas, but then Gurudev is saying, but you made me a potato mutter, a peas sabji, you know. So he said that type of. Okay, now I'll have to say. So, like when somebody is presenting some food in the front and gently she puts a second foot, like her feet are like elephant, how elephant gently walks with one foot and the second foot afterwards. So, it's the same thing, right? Now Radharani is going to go and meet Krishna, Abhisa. But, so like how Krishna is enjoying with other sakhis. If you don't go, then so if you have man, you have to go in to pacify the man and then go and see Krishna, go and meet Krishna. So there's many different descriptions given. The Radharani's man, to break the man of Radharani. So how to break? So there's all descriptions of how to break Radharani's man, and so she would go and meet Krishna. So Gurudev is saying, "Oh, tell us some new katha." So like Gurudev said, "Okay, Ravan kidnapped Sita." So then say, "Oh, what is the new katha?" Then she'll say, "Okay, Sita, Ram kidnapped Sita." That's not possible, right? That's not new. So it cannot naya, right? The katha is the same. You cannot have say, oh, another different katha. But it's how it's described and how the presentation of that katha is. There are 18 different Ramayana is written in 18 different languages. Like Valmiki, actually the original Ramayana is written by Valmiki. So the whole original Ramayana, old Ramayana is written by Valmiki. So the Valmiki, so it's from that Valmiki Ramayana, it's been translated to Bengal, and in Hindi it's Tulsidas, and then in Telugu, South Indian language. But actually it's the same, right? Everyone is saying that Ravan kidnapped Sita. In every Ramayana it's like that. But in Bangla you cannot translate and say, oh, Ram kidnapped Krishna. No, the origins of the scripture stays the same. So it also the description is depends like on the circumstances, like Bengali, right? He's a Bengali, Kirtidas. So in Bengal they worship Devi Puja more. So if he goes to Punjab, so Punjab to Bengal, yes. So also the similarities between Punjab and the Bengal. But in South India they don't emphasize so much in Devi Puja. But slowly from Bengal and the Bihar, so they are also covering like Bengal and Bihar are moving. So in the South India, they always give, yeah. So they give Uttam is North India, North India. North India, not South India. There is a Devi Puja. So in Uttar Pradesh, in North India, they didn't worship demigods as a Devi. So India is such a very, very strange country. The climate is different, every state. So that katha keeps, even if it's different languages, with love, it keeps everyone, keeps them together. Prem Sutra Prem Sutra is done
वृंदावन
in Gokul Vrindavan.
और ये सब कहाँ प्रचार करते हैं?
So,
भगवान कृष्ण
so Bhagavan Krishna, so went to where? He went to Dwarka, went to completely the west part of India.
आप इतिहास को यदि
So if you
देखें
look at the history,
पर्यालोचना करें
history,
आज तक भी रामायण की ऐसे सुंदर कथा उत्तर से लेकर के दक्षिण दक्षिण और पश्चिम से लेकर के पूरा हुआ सब रामचंद्र की मानते हैं।
so even Ramchandra, right, from north to south, east to west, everyone believes in Ram. Okay, maybe some don't believe in Krishna, but
प्रभु जी क्या नाम है?
Yogi Bhai,
योगी भाई ने
yeah, like our Prabhuji, yeah, Yogi
गुजराती
Bhai,
है कि नहीं?
Gujarati, yeah, he's Gujarati.
वो हर रोज इतने रामायण की कथा बोलते हैं।
He always speaks Ramayan Katha and Tulsidas Katha.
कहीं नहीं जाओ
Wherever you go,
की कथा इतनी
wherever you go, because Ramchandra's Katha is very sweet.
क्योंकि लोग कृष्ण की कथा जो है
Like,
कृष्ण की कथा नटखट कथा होता है।
so Krishna, everybody thinks Krishna's Katha is a little bit like nutcut, like restless. Like it's, they will not be able to digest Krishna's Katha.
जैसे कृष्ण की रासलीला कथा
Like Raslila Katha. People will not be able to digest that.
चरित्र की कथा लोग हजम नहीं करते, बोलते ये तो राजनीति हुई
Like they said, oh, this is...
है ना? कृष्ण ने दुर्योधन के बोले मैं
Krishna
तो
said, Duryodhan, oh, I will not fight. I am not fight. I will not fight.
कृष्ण की कपट निद्रा की कथा
So Krishna is naughty, like
जब
Kapat.
कुरुक्षेत्र में दोनों
So when there was a youth in
शकुनी कहने लगी
Sakuni
देखो,
said,
दुर्योधन के गले किसी प्रकार के कृष्ण की जो है
Sukuni said that by
कृष्ण ने एक सिरहाने की तरफ जो है एक अच्छे जो है सोने के सिंहासन रख दिया।
so Krishna put a one sangisan.
तरफ जो है एक टूटा फूटा मानो साधारण जो है
So near his, he put a very just ordinary chair.
दुर्योधन पहले आ गए।
So Duryodhan came by the feet of Krishna.
तुम कब आए? तो दुर्योधन कर के मैं पहले आ।
Then Krishna got up and said, oh Arjun, when did you come? So Duryodhan said, no, I came before Arjun. But Krishna saw everything, but Krishna is a kapat, Krishna is kapat. So ordinary people will not be able to digest this Krishna's katha.
अच्छा बर मांग
So he said, okay, ask.
कृष्ण कहने लगे देखो
Krishna said,
मैं तो निकम्मा हूँ, मेरे कोई काम नहीं है।
he said, I don't have any work. I will not fight. I will not fight in the youth. In Kurukshetra, in the youth, I will not fight. So Duryodhan said, what's the point of
हमारे दल में आएगा काम
So
नहीं करेगा।
if he comes in my side and if he doesn't work, then what's the point of having that person on my side
हाँ समझ रहे?
or in?
तो कहने स्वयं कृष्ण कहने
So
लगे,
Krishna said,
तब भी देखो उसको तो अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा सिखा दिया। कौन?
Sakuni taught Duryodhan and said, somehow or the other, anyhow, get Krishna's side on our side.
अच्छा जब तुम जब आए हो
So Krishna said, hey Duryodhan, since you are here, first I saw Arjun. I saw Arjun first. So I have to go to Arjun's perks. I have to take Arjun's side. So
खाली हाथ में कैसे जाओ?
So Krishna said, you come here, I will not since you are here, so I will always give you something. You cannot go empty. So what did he get?
Yes, I mean, in Bhagavad there is a sloka. There's this sloka. If you say often, you will laugh. It is from Bhagavad. Good, I forgot it. So you still have a benefit. You get the cow. Sujira Goswami's comment says, someone's wife has attachment for some other guy. There's no use. Just maintain her. What is the use of maintaining her? A cow who doesn't give any milk and has no calf, at least you have use of her dung, cow dung, and the urine.
उसके प्रति वो
But a woman who has a paramour maintaining her,
वो पत्नी के तुम्हारे क्या करना पड़ता है? भरण पोषण खिलाना।
you have to maintain that woman, and you use your time and resources.
पत्नी के क्या देना चाहिए?
And what you should do with her, they leave, get her out of the house.
समझ में आने की नहीं?
You have to abandon a woman that has a paramour. That's the message.
विवाह किस लिए करते हैं?
Why do we get married?
काम तो करें।
That wife is helpful in the household.
पति पत्नी में रह के कम से कम तो प्रेम प्रीति व्यवहार करें।
This,
पति के साथ प्रेम प्रीति व्यवहार नहीं है। हैं? तो उस पत्नी को रख कर-
Relationship of love, but if there is no love, what is the use
प्रेम से तो प्रेम प्रीति से तो बात करे।
of
वो प्रेम प्रीति में बात नहीं करते।
at least if he doesn't talk lovingly to you, he talks with you in a not nice way, then it's better to abandon her. Do you understand?
ट्रांसलेट किया कि नहीं किया?
Yeah, but you translate. My voice is very hoarse at the
और
moment.
उसके ऊपर हम जीवन से मैं इसमें टिका।
I'm not going to translate what he said. I think she translated, right? Do you want to hear again? Okay. For the example he gave was like, you have a wife, right? They're saying, Jiva Goswami is saying, you have a wife, but the wife is having an affair with another man. Then what's the point of maintaining her? Because that wife is not good for you, right? So what should you do? Because she's not loving you or speaking to you or whatever. Then Jiva Goswami is saying, what should you do with that woman? Then the best thing is to abandon her because she's not good to you.
शब्द ब्रह्मणि निष्णातो न निष्णातो परे यदि श्रमदस्य समफले झ धेनु इव रक्षत। यहाँ पर ये
Here is
बोले कोई शब्द ब्रह्म में निष्णात होते हैं
Sabda Brahman. Somebody has,
किंतु भगवत भजन नहीं कर रहे,
right, he has,
शास्त्र ज्ञान कर लिया,
somebody has got Vishwas in Sabda Brahman, but he's not doing in sadhana.
अनुसरण नहीं कर रहे।
But he knows all the knowledge, right, of all the scriptures. He knows Sabda Brahman, but he is not following the words.
नहीं निष्णात होते, माने शब्द ब्रह्म जनी शास्त्र ज्ञान अध्ययन कर लिया।
So they have got all the knowledge of the books. They've studied all the books.
नहीं स्वयं आचरण नहीं कर रहे।
But if they are not following, they're not practicing in their day-to-day life, then
भगवान में जो वो भजन नहीं करे,
so if they don't do any bhajan in the Bhagwan, they have studied the books, they are what? They are jnani, but they are not practicing.
दूसरे के सुनाने के लिए श्लोक बोल दिया,
Right? They spoke the sloks just to, for others to hear.
तुम हरि भजन करो।
He'll say, oh, he'll tell everyone, oh, you do Hari Bhajan, but he himself doesn't do Hari Bhajan.
सबके क्या बोले?
He tells
perform bhajan and
sadhan,
but he did not perform bhajan and
sadhan himself.
That means
What is that? That means,
non निष्णातो परे जनी, स्वयं भगवान के भजन नहीं करे।
so they are not doing Bhagwan Bhajan.
श्रमस्तस्य श्रम फलो झ धनु, उनके सारे श्रम जो है माने शास्त्र अध्ययन करना जो है,
Whatever the
वो
studies
क्या हो
are
गया?
there, Sram,
व्यर्थ हो गया।
it's wasted. Because why? He didn't practice it.
दूसरे के सुनाने के
He's telling others to do bhajan, but he himself is not doing sadhan bhajan. Then what is it? It's nothing. No fruit is there, wasted. So
आकर के घर में क्या एकादशी के दिन
he's telling everyone else, so you should do Ekadasi, but he himself on Ekadasi is eating grains.
ये जो ज्ञान जो दिया लोगों
So
को
the gyan, the knowledge he gave to others is bekar, is wasted, is waste of time.
बोला जो कुछ ये श्रम व्यर्थ कर गया, इसलिए कहते हैं शब्द ब्रह्मणि निष्णातो न निष्णातो परे यदि, परे माने भगवान में यदि वो
So
अनुभव नहीं कर रहे हैं,
So if they have no realization of Bhagwan and is not doing sadhan bhajan,
आदि क्या है?
then what's the point of hearing verse? Is total waste. It's just a waste of time.
कैसे है? बेकार है।
It's bekar, it's just waste.
जो धेनु इव रक्षत, जिस प्रकार
So
जो गाय जो है
for example, the cow,
5 गाय को पालन कर रहे हैं, जो गाय दूध नहीं देती है,
the cow is not giving calf or not giving milk. So what's the point of keeping that cow? So why do we keep the cow? So that he gives us milk.
छान के रख दो।
Otherwise, son is what?
दूध के लिए तो आप गोपालन करते हैं.
So you keep, why do you keep cow? So that the cow gives the milk. But if the cow doesn't give you milk, then what's the point of taking care and maintaining that cow?
इसकी टीका के ऊपर कह रहे हैं.
So he's saying on this tika, Jiva Goswami is giving example. Okay, chalo, cow will not maybe give you milk, but you're maintaining the cow. There will be still some benefit for you. What? Because you're getting the manure, you know, the gobar manure. You are getting gobar from the cow, at least. Manure. Gobar. You can use the gobar to cook or something, you know. Yeah, they use it for cooking. Cooking, na? Cooking में use करते हैं, हाँ. Gobar, हाँ. So they use the gobar, you know, the cow. So then even maintaining the cow who doesn't give milk, doesn't give the milk. So here, Gurudev is giving that example that if a woman is having affair with another person, and then you as a husband are maintaining her, so Gurudev is saying, what's the point? You know, you are buying clothes for him, buying food, and she doesn't even serve you, she doesn't even talk properly with love and affection. Then what's the point of keeping that womb? So what Jiva Goswami is saying, then what do you do? But that woman, what should you do with that woman? You throw her out from the house. So this is what Jiva Goswami is giving as an example. This tika is in Sandarbha. Sandarbha mein you will get this tika. When the knowledge, somebody is giving knowledge.
Only someone just acquired
The knowledge and not practicing. So that's the examples he's given for that. So you have studied all the scriptures
He acquired the knowledge and also preaching.
and
but
he's
not
also
practice.
he's preaching but not practicing.
कर रहे हैं और दूसरे के सुनाने के लिए. जैसे मैंने just like I told.
So I told,
Shastra explain you have to what is called observe Ekadasi. If you not observe Ekadasi, you will go hell. You will later everything. But he is not following.
is not following.
Following Ekadasi. So what is the meaning of the acquired the knowledge? So for this regard, we are discussing this is Jatha, Dhenu,
Before you started backward.
मूल कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो वही था ना गुरुदेव. कृष्ण बोलता है मैं शस्त्र नहीं उठाऊंगा.
कृष्ण
इसलिए
अभी कथा जो है इसलिए दुर्योधन के विचार आ रहे हैं.
So then he said, Krishna will not pick up any weapon. He will not have weapon. So Duryodhana is saying, so here now try and understand.
इसलिए ले रहे हैं हमारे दल में.
Duryodhana is saying, if Krishna comes on my side of the youth, if he comes on my army side, but he is not going to fight, he is not going to do anything. So then what's the point of taking Krishna on my side? This is what Duryodhana is thinking like.
अर्जुन क्या हुआ?
But Arjun, what is Arjun thinking? Arjun is saying, Krishna, you're my friend. Whether you fight or you not fight, you still come on our side. So whether the cow gives us milk or no milk, but still I will maintain the cow.
गाय दूध दे अथवा नहीं भी दे.
Cow gives a milk or not, I'll still maintain the cow. So this is the example. But the Duryodhana, this is Arjun's vichar, Arjun's thoughts. But Duryodhana's thoughts are like, okay, what's the point of having him in my side of the army if he's not going to take any weapons and he's not going to fight?
कृष्ण युद्ध करेगा.
But Arjun is thinking like whether Krishna fights or not fights, but still
मैं हाथ में भी अस्त्र भी नहीं.
Krishna said, forget about fighting, I will not even lift any weapon. So Duryodhana is thinking, Arjun is saying, no problem, you still come on my side. So Arjun's thoughts are, Arjun's thinking, wherever there is a tree, this is Arjun's thinking.
अर्जुन ही करें भगवान हमारे साथ.
Arjun saying, Bhagwan will be on our side. that's fine, I'll have this. But the Duryodhana is Nastik. He's thinking in the other way, like, oh, he's not going to help us in any way because he's not going to fight. So he's just useless. So Duryodhana's and Arjun's thoughts are different like that. So some people are saying that, so people don't believe in the Kurukshetra Krishna. So he said he's people. So they say Krishna is just like a politician, he's making, Krishna is not politician. Krishna is trying to save the dharma, the truth, the save dharma. That's not politics. That's not politics. He didn't know politics. Krishna is saying, so Narayan Sena? That's what I don't understand. The Duryodhana's army was called Narayan Sena. The army. If Krishna was a politician, so why did he give the Narayan Sena? He gave the army, right? Narayan army. Oh, Narayan Seva was given to Duryodhana. So the army, like Narayan Seva, the army of Krishna.
Krishna's army.
Yeah, Krishna's army was given to Duryodhana. So, see, so Krishna did not do any politician. What is politician? Politician is hypocrite, duplicit, Bhagwan is so Duryodhana said, Krishna said, hey Duryodhana, you come to me, I will not I've seen Arjun. I am going on the Arjun's side. But Duryodhana, since you come here to my house, I will give you something. I will give you Narayan Seva. Means Narayan Seva means he is giving his army. So if you think Krishna is politician, Krishna is not politician. In Bhagavad Gita there is nothing that Krishna is a politician. So there is BJP and there is Congress. There is two parties. The Congress will go to BJP. Will they say that? No. See, if you have two political parties, right? BJP and Congress, then Congress will not tell to BJP, okay, you can say take some of the people from my and go to BJP, right? But here, Krishna gave his army to Duryodhana. So how can he be a politician? So he said, I will ride the Arjun's chariot. But since you have come here, Duryodhana, since you have come here, I'm giving you my army. I'm giving you army. I'm giving you Narayan Sena. Means I'm giving you my army. Taste what?
23 Akshahini size.
The size is 23 Akshahini. Akshahini. That's the size of the army.
Akshahini. It's the measurement.
It's the measurement of how many people would be in that army. Yeah. So the Sukhini is asking. When Duryodhana went back, Sukhini said, "Oh, what did you get now?" So he said, "Oh, Krishna is not good to us. He will not fight." So what's the point of keeping somebody like that in our side? So I said, so Krishna said, so he said, told Duryodhana, I'm giving you my whole. Tell me. So he said, look, on one side I'm giving you my army, and the other side it's me. So Duryodhana is thinking, what's the point of having one person who is not going to fight, but I'm getting this huge army. So he's telling this Sukhini, he's explaining to Sukhini, he's saying, Mamaji, Krishna told me Krishna said to me, Krishna said, I will not lift up as permanent. Oh, I won't fight. But, oh, do you want the Narayan Sena? That is my army. This is one person on one side and there is a huge army there. So Duryodhana is telling Sukini that, oh, what's the point of taking one person? I would rather take the whole big army, right? So, but wherever Krishna is, that's where the victory is there. But Bihari, so this is what Duryodhana could not understand about Krishna.
दुर्योधन राजसिक नेचर का है और अर्जुन सात्विक नेचर के है, तो वो
So he said,
तामसिक है
Tamasic. So Duryodhana is Tamasic, is mode of ignorance.
वो पूरा मिलकर तामसिक पाप की मूर्ति
Papti Murti. He is a presiding deity of Pap. Duryodhana.
अवतार का गर्ग संहिता में लिखा
इसमें कौन सा बीता?
Garga Samhita.
उसमें जो है
It's written Duryodhana.
कली के अवतार होता है
He is the avatar of Kali.
अवतार ऑफ कली
Avatar of Kali.
दुर्योधन किसी पर और दुर्योधन क्या है मूर्ख है
Duryodhana is a fool. Is a foolish.
सुकुनी जो बोलता है दुर्योधन वही करता है
Whatever Sakuni, his Mamaji says, Duryodhana says, he has no of his own intelligence.
वृंदावन
But Bihari.
जय जय समझ में आया कि नहीं
so hard.
बिहारी नाथ की जय 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 श्री राम अच्छा अब 10 बज गए
What we spoke in the beginning, Katha Bachara Ramananda, the court of the king.
Oh, about assembly. Assembly. Yeah, I didn't even get that. Akshay Mansi.